Hi girls, I am giving you a solution of the topo sheet that you have done today. So I am showing you with the help of a video so that you people can understand easily what is the mistake that you have done and how to do it. So the first question was, what is six-figure grid reference of triangulated height 179? In a big topo sheet, it's difficult to find out where is 179, but you have to see the trend of the height. Like you can see here 184, there is 172, 169. So 179 will be in this side, not in the other corner where the height is generally 300. So 179 is located, this particular point is located on the eastings of this is 26. So 26, and if you see, if you draw the bifurcation 1 2 3 4, so it is 264, and on this side it is 99 of northings. So 99, it will be roughly 7 because the half will be 5 here, then this will be 6 and this will be 7. So if you make the bifurcation of 2 centimeter each, it will be roughly 7. 6 will also be taken as a right answer. So your answer for triangulated height of 179 should be 264,997, and 264,99, only 7 is coming correct, so that should be the answer. Now spot height of 292. Now when we have to see 292, we have to go towards the area where height is increasing. You can see here 200s have started, so don't see the hills, these are the hilly areas. So 292, to find out here, you can see it is 242. So 292 will be roughly somewhere here. If you see, now it is 298 has come. So though I suggest that you quickly scan through the top paragraph, top box, and start seeing all the boxes. But if you see, the height of 280s and all is in this area, so 292 will also be here. It creates sometimes a tension and panic when you don't get a place and you feel that it's only you who is not getting it and the others have got it. But you can see here, I'm also not getting 292. Height of 292, 259, 247 here. So this is height of 292. Now you can see this particular dot is the symbol. So we have to see the six-figure grid reference of this particular dot, not the place where 292 is written. So you can see that it is located on the eastings of, you don't have to see all the way up, but here it is written 42, so it is 42. Now 42 point, it is roughly 42.4, but you have to literally calculate it with the scale. I suggest on your computer only you keep scale and make the bifurcations. So it should be 424, and on this side it is 06. So 06, 1 2 3, roughly 064. So 064 or 065, both will be taken correct, but from my side 064 will be correct answer. You know why? Because if we make half of this line, then 5 will come roughly little above it, so it is crossing 4 only. So my answer will be 424064. Triangulated height, now next is triangulated height 349. Now you see where is the trend and where is 349. 349's height will be in this area only, because you see 300s are in this corner. So here is 349. 349 is located on easting 43 and northings 11. So you have to find out 43 what, 43.1 very clearly, 43.1, and 11 is like 6. It is 11.6. So answer should be 431116. 43.1, 431 and 116. That should be your answer. Spot height of 284. So to find out spot height of 284, you have to again go to the areas where 200s are dominating. So this is the area where 200 is dominating, and your 284. should be 200, 200, 240s, 250, 284. Here is 284. So spot height of 284 is located on northeastings. What is it? 37. It's located on 37. So your first four figure will be 37, and this is, you can see, 6. So this must be 5. So it's located on 505. So the answer will be, what did I say? 37 and 05 are the four figure. So now 37 ke baad what is it? It is approximately 8. So 378 will be the answer of six figure grid reference. Have you got it? How did I say this line, this easting is 37? Okay, can you see? This is 37. So 37 ke baad, where in 37? 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roughly it is 7, because here it will be 8 and here it will be 9 and here it will be 10. So it will be 7. Fine. So, and this side it is 5. So 5, 8. Answer of this spot height will be 377 and 058. Okay, 058. Now spot height of 284. 284 is done. 225. 225 नहीं, 225 है या 252? 225. 225 is a triangulated height. So triangulated height 225's answer ये पहले वाला था, which I missed, and I have come to spot height. So triangulated height 225 will be, this particular easting is 32. You see, this is 32. So you don't have to go all the time up, you can just see from here only. 32. So 32, 8. Okay, 32, 8, because this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. I believe it is 7, 3 to 7, because it is not crossing 8 abhi. 8 will start from here and then 9 will start from here. So it will be 3 to 3 to 7, and this side it is 0, 6. So 0, 6, and the base is touching 8. 0, 6, 8. So the answer of this will be, spot height 225 will be located at 327 and 068. Okay. Now what is 10R in 4186? This is very simple. 4186. So simply go and find out where is 41. This is 41. Where is 86? This is 86. So 4186 is here. Now the question says, what is this 10R? You can see that this is a sand dune. So it is a relative height of the sand dune. Relative height of the sand dune. That should be your answer.